If you're in love with your afro, you should use AIRFRO. Apply it nice and evenly, do it careful. Wet it, wash it, shake it, dry it. Effortless results, go ahead try it. You should wash it, dry it, comb it, braid it. Then take a trip to the barber and let him fade it. Defy gravity, use it as you please. After a gym session, just use it when you leave. Whoever said curls are for girls, they were lying. Hair game so strong, it's done without trying. If you really love your hair, you should take care. So grab your AIRFRO, apply it to your hair. You'll be looking so fly, you'll set the trends. You'll be the one that stands out in your friends. So put it in your bag, have it on the go. Express your curls, really, you can let them show. Black is excellent, black is beauty. Embracing your roots, please make it your duty. Refill it, it's so easy to recycle. I just hope that you remember the cycle. When you wet it, wash it, shake it, dry it. Effortless results, go ahead try it. You should wash it, dry it, comb it, braid it. Then take a trip to the barber and let him fade it. AIRFRO's the future, there's no debating. Change up your style today and make a statement.